So today we're going to show you how to adjust the pickup tube inside of the cup so that you can spray upwards to get areas like sealing. So instead of actually opening up the cup and trying to adjust the pickup tube in this current state, what I find is easiest is just actually rotate the full assembly. So to do so, you're just going to remove the pressure tube from the nipple on the side here. Once that's out of the way, you're going to take the wrench that came with your gun and you're simply going to loosen the large nut here, and what that'll do is it'll loosen the cup on the fluid coupler, and then all you have to do at that point is rotate the cup around and finger tighten the cup assembly back onto the fluid coupler, and then you're going to want to snug it up with your wrench. And so then what you'll see there is now the pressurization port's facing forward, the yoke arm is now to the back, but then when you open up your cup, you'll see that the pickup tube is now facing the back of the spray gun. So instead of playing around with the actual pickup tube itself, I always opt to just rotate the cup assembly, and that seems to be the best.